Hello, trading is closed on May 22nd, 2017. There are lots of people who trade online. I don't think anyone has dominated the online trading scene for as long or as well as tepid William D. Blount. I was shocked to hear that he left us earlier today. I read his comments practically every trading day, and once you interpreted his cryptic way of saying things, you found he was a very knowledgeable person. Despite this knowledge, I never heard him say one negative thing about another trader. I never heard another trader say a negative thing about him. He was my online friend for over 20 years. I will miss him, and so will hundreds of people throughout cyberspace. Usually I spend a lot of time looking at the market before making my call. I didn't spend any today. I'm just not in the mood. I had a call Friday, which was killed before the open because we gapped sharply in the undesired direction and took out the high. During the day, MEJT said ultimately lower prices would print, which they did. Said the drop was false, which it was. No new signals. We gapped up, hit a higher high, couldn't close over it. If we don't close over the middle of the day high promptly tomorrow, ideally by gapping up, lower prices should print, and that's my call for tomorrow. What I'd like to see is for us to gap under this low instead. But even though I'd like to see it, I don't always get everything I like. Gapping under the low here would mean this whole move up was a false move. That would kind of explain why we broke this trend line, which I don't like, but which does not change the prediction. Bar number 13 of a sequential sell signal typically goes over the close of number 8. Sometimes that doesn't happen, so we have a possible new sequential sell signal. The call for tomorrow is unless we gap up and take out this high promptly, lower prices should print. I am hoping for a gap under today's low instead, but I don't always get everything that I hope for, and that's today's call.